Sweet. Chick, chick, chick. Yeah. Tube is good. Twitch. Check. Bueno. Might have to bring that. I mean, are we going? We going close, Mike Day? Maybe. Maybe, baby. It was all a dream. Alright. Good enough. Good enough. Today, what are we doing? We gotta build out a flow. Gotta build out a flow. On Empire Chiropractic. We're not using that one right. Good there. And the tutorial scene. This one's the most important. That you guys are able to see everything. So tags are down there. We're gonna avoid those tags because you're gonna need to see this. What we're doing first is Empire Chiropractic. We're gonna be changing one of these pipelines out. So, yo. Oh, I gotta get my chats open. Chat. Sorry, open it. Today, we were just doing some live work session on HighLevel. We're doing it live on Twitch and YouTube. I'll be recording a text message flow, but to set that up, we need a pipeline flow. Or opportunity pipeline flow. So we need to build that first in level. Let's go take a look. This is for Empire Chiropractic, and what I've been teaching people is this is part of Empire U. Oh, I need to change that too. That means I gotta go to Canva though. Alright. We'll go to Canva. Quick YouTube or Canva tutorial per use. You know, you're gonna get it all in these live stream tutorials because you know what? We just kind of do it all. We're gonna do it all. And you need certain different things when you're doing tutorials. Good thing we're not recording. Well, I'll fix that too. That one. Cam catcher. Resize this window real quick. Whoa. Is at the end of the day, these live streams go better when you just set up shop and do them. They're not any fun. They're all planned out. We gotta have a little fun while we're doing this, or at least we gotta try. So quick Canva tutorial. We're gonna come up here to duplicate the page. Canva's so easy, it's crazy. And we're gonna do AI SMS flow. Let's see. Post. What I gotta do here? AI SMS flow. Post. Appointment. That's what we're doing today, ladies and gents. I make these a little smaller. Maybe not put them at the ends of the universe. We'll go with that today. Look at that thumbnail. Catching. All right. Cool. We got a little thumbnail. Chat's open. So, thumbnail. If you didn't put it in the chat, did it really happen? Thumbnail. Yeah, SMS flow. No, it didn't. You gotta put it in the chat. Required. Empire University. Boom. And we want to make the main focus the AI SMS flow. We don't want to put a bunch of shit on there where people are like, what's that? So, I feel like that puts it as the focus. Maybe that giant red button I have is distracting too. Put that down a little bit. Give you a little room. That feels good. That's how I do design, just by feel. Doesn't make any fucking sense. Okay. So let's get that done, downloaded. And we're gonna change up the background of this old flow thumbnail. Bam. Alright. Get on downloaded. Cool. Off. Back to here. Change this to Empire. Unshowing. Are you? You? Download. Bueno. I'm gonna change that one. Good. Unshowing. Empire U. Schema. If you guys have not seen that schema, make sure and check that out at theempires.com. There's my Miro board schema that I was starting to put together for this process. Now we're just really building it because it's like, well, it's easier to actually just build it. Get this flow going. That way, one, I have it built. Two, you have an example. Easy money. But intro scene looks good. Put it in the Twitch chat. So it happened. I gotta make a, what is that? Edit opportunities pipeline. Because if we're gonna have an AI SMS flow, we need to have a pipeline or something that triggers that action. As always, we got it. Well, not as always, but we got it live on Twitch and YouTube, monitoring those chats. We're going to do level SMS flow. Chiropractors. We are doing. Ooh, can't type. Yeah, SMS flow. Chiro. And we are doing create custom opportunity pipeline. And we are doing AI SMS flow. Post appointment. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. So if you guys have any questions, make sure and drop them in the chat. I do have it open on Twitch and YouTube. So holler with any questions as we're going. Really, the whole thing is if I'm going to make something happen, like if I'm going to trigger an AI flow or there's going to be an event where we're going to text people, like you got to apply it to a realistic, live situation. So chiropractors, post appointment, what are you doing for the follow-up flow when they're enrolled? So we'll go check on how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do in order to make that automation is I'm going to have a pipeline or some way to trigger these automations to engage or activate. So there's a couple ways to do the SMS text messaging, but it's always important, if they are on an approved list, how are we going to really take that and create it into an action? Now, there's two main ways to do it. The first one that we did, I think it was 2 days ago, and then yesterday I did the employee. But the first one is a contact tag trigger, which you just change that tag. But I was thinking, with a chiropractic office, you're going to want to have that Kanban board like check-in system. Person has arrived or they checked in, they are in their appointment complete, invoice sent, yada yada. So you want to build that flow down the line. But what we're going to focus on today is how to build out an AI SMS flow that can trigger with those opportunities. So this is going to be called the post-appointment flow. There's a duplicate pipeline opportunity in here. So I'm going to come into pipelines. I'm going to edit one of these. We're going to call it post-appointment SMS follow-up. Okay. And we're going to be appointment completed, invoice paid. These will be ones that we can trigger for invoice paid or invoice sent. Then we're going to need, let's see. Well, I don't know what the cadence would be, so let's ask Gemini, Google Gemini. I don't know the right cadence for what, how often chiropractors check in on their patients. Ooh, yeah, Gemini does not like being on live. Oops. Gotta slow down for that shit yesterday. We don't want that to happen again. No, sir. Hey, Gemini. If I was going to build post appointment follow up flow for a chiropractor, what would be a good cadence? Send SMS messages, wait timings. For example, 1 week after appointment, send SMS checking. Patient is feeling. Okay. Oh. Day 2. Do we? All right, let's see what we got here. Immediate, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1. Okay. So we're just going to put SMS flow and we'll go send SMS follow up flow. And we're going to go send email follow up flow. And then we're going to go maybe, what else can I put in there? So appointment completed. I mean, we don't I mean, we can probably just maybe we'll take this out for now because we're really just trying to focus on sending that SMS follow-up flow. Okay. We can always add to this. Maybe that email one we'll keep in there. Send email. Oh. Okay. So, which one did I do that on? Not the top one. I renamed it. There we go. Post appointment SMS follow up. All right, let's go check out that automation. Make sure we can trigger that in a HighLevel trigger. So, opportunity changed. In pipeline. Pipeline stage is send a mess. It is that easy. It is that easy. Appointment complete. Send SMS. I mean, really, it is that easy. Wow. Okay. Well, I guess I don't need to. I'll keep that trigger in there. I don't need to delete it. We can start from there. And people won't be affected by the tutorials. It'll be just fine. Cool. Alright. Okay, that just makes it way too easy. But that's good. I mean, easy's good, right? We have our pipeline. Create a new folder. It's going to have to be post. We want to keep those separate because there are certain processes within a chiropractor office that you don't want to have. All right, my post and my pre-appointment are going to be two different flows. Yes, you could probably build it all into one gigantic flow. But a lot of times it's easier to just to chunk out those individual processes into flows and then turn them on and off when you need them. We're going to go move to post-appointment folder. All right. What other ones we got in here that'll be good that'll turn on for dentists? Not dentists, chiropractors, my bad. You know what I meant, you know. Oh, this happened yesterday on live. Go into the automation stations. I mean, I can build one from scratch though. Live. What's up? Alright, we'll do that. What are the stages that I have again? So I got opportunities. We're gonna go post appointment. Completed. Paid. Invoice sent. All right, and then we got send SMS follow up. Okay. Now here is where I start recording. So that being said, if I'm not talking at certain moments, I promise it's not to bore you on the live stream. What I do is I auto edit these videos after with Streamlabs podcast editor, It takes out the blank spaces, it takes out the bullshit, and allows me the ability to edit these videos quickly and then get them to YouTube and other channels. So there's your two choices. Do your editing, take a long time, spend a long time talking, or do your tutorial, execute it, edit that shit with Podcast Editor, and move on. All right. We're randomly throwing out the intro, and we don't plan because that shit sucks. No, don't get me wrong. I have a huge schema, but as far as videos, like what I'm going to actually say in the video, I don't plan that. Like, I know what videos I got to make next. Like, I made an AI employee. Now we got to give it a flow to text, right? Which is important to bring up before the tutorial because that's the whole point of this damn thing. All right. Ooh. I don't know if we're going to the moon today. I think we're just going. I don't know. I don't think we're going to the moon. Nope, we're not going to the moon today. That's okay. Oh, both my chats are coming in on the main chat. Woo! Alright. Yahtzee. Maybe I gotta go from that one to that one. Yep. We're gonna try that today. Welcome to Empire U. I'm Professor Jack. Today we are going to be going over an AI SMS flow that we can automatically send out for chiropractors post-appointment. Now, what I always say, if you don't put it in the Twitch chat, did it really happen? No, it did not. So we are going to say AI SMS flow post-appointment. All right, chiropractors, let's dive into this. Here we go, live tutorials. The first thing I came in and I did this morning was I created a custom pipeline because there's two ways to trigger these SMS flows post-appointment. One is if a customer enrolls, hey, I agree to send me text. That's going to be good for appointment information, maybe some marketing offers. But we do want to put in a focus on post-appointment follow-up with our patients. So what I did is I came in and created a flow: appointment completed, invoice paid, invoice sent, send SMS follow-up, send email follow-up. And you know what? I'm going to change the order of those because what I want to do is I want to send the text messages first, send the emails, and then have the invoicing kind of be that last stage, but needs to be on there. I don't want to have somebody come back to the invoicing stage. So we're going to edit that. We're going to bring up our SMS on the flow, and we're going to bring in our email flow and switch that. Invoice sent, invoice paid. Okay. Click save, and now we're going to go back into our opportunities, and our pipeline is a little different. Now, this is an important feature because it's going to act as your CRM, and when something happens, you want to create another action. So you can set up custom pipelines for your actions. We have appointment completed, send SMS, send email. Today we are focusing on the good old send SMS follow up. All right, so let's go into automations and post appointment folder. This is going to be the snapshot that chiropractors start out with. If you want to use this for your business, I've developed Empire Chiropractic as a software solution for chiropractors to use to optimize their practice. So let's get into it. Post appointment, appointment complete. We want it to send a text, all right? And this is all going to be editable within the dashboard. There's 3 ways you guys can do this. Either sign up for HighLevel on a separate third-party account, and you can just use these videos in Empire University. If you start with the AI Empires, it's a white label agency on HighLevel. You start out with this snapshot, $69 a month. Follow all the videos in Empire U and build it. Or the third option is take my snapshot, I build it for you and get you up and running in a hurry. 10 times out of 10, I'm waiting on other people for just integrations and logging in on stuff. So if you can hustle, I can hustle. But here we go. The first thing we got to take a look at is the trigger. So what's going to happen that's going to initiate this text message flow? Well, let's look into it. So we have opportunity changed is our trigger. Well, let's just delete this out and we'll start from the very beginning. So what we just built was a custom pipeline on opportunity. So we need to know when an opportunity changes. Opportunity changed, post, appointment, flow. This makes it easier to identify stuff, just giving it names. We're going to select filter in pipeline. Post appointment SMS follow up, the one we just created. Add filters. We're going to go pipeline stage. And the whole goal of this automation is to send the SMS follow up flow. So we're going to save that trigger. So when we drop and drag a patient into that, hey, appointment completed, we drop them in to send the SMS flow. That's going to identify that. And what we want to do is we want to wait. We want to send it to them right there when they're hanging out, still in the office. So we're going to put a little wait in there. We're only going to wait a couple hours. We want to check in on them after they've had time to go home, settle in, do all that. So we're going to put in a wait action. We're going to delay it 2 hours. Okay, we're going to save that wait action. And then we're going to go manual action to send SMS. Or can we just go SMS? Send SMS. I'm going to go, hey, contact, first name. It's Faith with Empire Chiropractic. How are you feeling after the appointment? Okay. Something simple. Just the initial engage is all you got to worry about, because what we're going to do is we're going to send that 2 to 4 hours after and use our AI to engage and handle all the questions. How's your back? Here's some stretches. Whatever information we train our AI employee on, that's going to be able to engage after that initial engage. So that's the whole kind of strategy to make this effective, is where can you do the initial engage? What can AI handle? And how do you make that effective? Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, wait. And we're going to go 3 days now. We're going to put a wait tag on. And we're going to go 3 days. And we're going to copy you. We're going to paste you here. We're going to edit that message. We can just do a real simple too, because we are going to have AI responding. How are you feeling today? Easy money. Okay, the next one we're going to do, we need to wait 1 week. So that'll be 4 days more. 1 week post appointment, 4 days more here. And then we're going to say, let's see, 1 week. Been a week. How are you feeling overall? I like that one. So we'll use that one. Copy this in here. You're going to edit that text. See that stuff. Cool. All right. Hey, it's Faith. How are you feeling today? We're going to go. Boom. Been a week since your appointment. How are you feeling overall? We're dedicated to your well-being. Please let us know. What's nice about that is having the AI employees, you're going to have this cadence set up with these pre-built text messages, but if they respond or have questions, you don't need a person there responding and monitoring it. You just have the AI respond, which is the way to optimize it. And then it can schedule appointments automatically for you. So we got 2 weeks. All right. On 2 weeks here. We're going to add another 7 days. Wait. 7 days. Okay. And we're gonna copy you, paste you here, edit this out. So got our okay, easy money. So now we have 7, so that's our 2 week. Now we need to go 1 month. We need to go wait. Time delay. Days. 14. And copy that. Paste it in. Send SMS. Is that too long of a wait period? I wonder if that is. See what happens when we put this one in here. 1 month. Okay. Simple, easy post-appointment workflow, right? And what this is going to do when you publish it, it's going to all your employee or all your office has to do is when appointment is completed, you just change wherever they are in that flow on the opportunities, and it's going to send a timed text message sequence out to that patient on whatever cadence you want. And what's nice about it is your AI employee is going to be able to respond and book those meetings for you. So, without further ado, today we got, let's see, post-appointment flow. We have on our live stream today done an automated and AI-powered post-appointment text message flow for chiropractors, and we put that together in about 12 minutes live. Now, do I know what I'm doing in HighLevel and know my way around the place a little bit? Yes. Have I built them the wrong way and made the mistakes and not had it work 15 times? Yes. But the point is the only thing that's holding you back is starting. So use the tools where they're effective. I use Gemini all the time. I use the free tools where they're effective. But if I'm going to build a process and optimize it with AI, well, one, like we did in the video yesterday, create your AI employee. And then two, optimize those processes. Post-appointment follow-up, we're going to send out a timed text message sequence that AI can respond with, book appointments, address concerns, ask those qualifying questions. Tell me what's going on with your back. Has it felt any different? Has it felt better? On 1 to 10, how much pain are you experiencing? Ask those questions with AI. Use AI to book appointments, save you time, and all you have to do to initiate a post-appointment SMS flow is drag and drop. Drag and drop. It's taken care of. That's how you make AI and automation effective with the AI Empires. Get started today at theaiempires.com and book a virtual coffee introduction with me. All right, first one in the books. That's easy money, bud. Easy money. Now we got to go to the editing process for you guys. Before, how much time do I have? Streamlabs. I got an hour and 13 minutes. We're going to be on a meeting. I wonder. Well, I guess I can just live stream the process of getting this thing edited and hopefully posted so you guys can see it. But this is my entire editing process. Again, it is very extensive. I'm just kidding. You drag and drop one thing. Use AI where it's effective. Don't overcomplicate this shit. All right. New project. Recording is going to be rename. Post. Point. And AI. And automation. SMS flow. Chiropractors. Movies window over here. All right, you guys ready for the extensive editing process of the AI Empires? We do it right. Check it out. Use technology where it's effective. Ooh. Telling you, if you guys make videos, if you guys are doing anything video wise, if anybody's doing anything wise on video, there's probably a way to optimize the shit out of all the stuff you're creating. Okay? Just like that. So now we wait. What I can do, probably I can add some contacts to the power dialer. I just can't put contacts on live stream because YouTube gets mad. Okay, get you out of there. Ciao. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. I guess while that is editing, I don't know. Should you add it to a Miro board? Or is it just like, hey, here's a Miro board. It's right here. I guess I can do these. We'll do a quick video. Quick how to make it effective overview video. This is how you make a post-appointment AI SMS follow-up system for chiropractors in HighLevel. Let's get it. All right, the first thing we're going to look at is we go into the trigger. What happens here? Opportunity change, in pipeline, post-appointment, SMS follow-up, drag and drop. You're going to send a message. When are you sending that message? After 2 hours. What's that message going to be? Hey, contact first name. It's Faith. This is a demo with Empire Chiropractic. How are you feeling? Save that. Next thing we're going to do, wait 3 days. Boom. Send another. How you feeling? Send another. 4 days. That's our week. Another. Wait. 7. Wait. 14. So we're going to check in on you a bunch of times within a month. And then you're going to have AI to back that up, schedule appointments for you automatically inside the AI Empires. To make AI and automation effective, optimize a process and use cool stuff that works. Cool. That will be my social media video for the day. So, look at that. We got our social media done too. How about it? Streamlabs.com/dashboard. Ding dong, bong, bong. And new project. Where's my recordings? We're going to go rename, host, appointments, AI, and automation, SMS, flow, chiropractors. Social. All right. We are going to do the same thing. Drag, drop. Bow, 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 bow. Cool. That's going to be done yesterday. This is how you make live streaming effective. And then what I'm going to get from that tutorial we just did, right, is the transcription, which I'm going to use for blog posts, LinkedIn articles, etc., etc., etc. All out of a 12-minute live? 4-minute video. You're done. This one's already done. Almost. We got 2 of them in a live stream going at the same time. But that's what we got today. I don't know. This will go so much faster. Wow. This will go so much faster if I'm off a live stream. But I have an hour till my next meeting. What should I do? Probably get off the live stream and load up the contacts for the day. I'm going to let these edit. But you guys have seen that before. These will be in Empire U. Go check them out. And if you have any questions, make sure and follow on Twitch, YouTube for High Level Dev. I might be on later tonight doing some AI and automations, but that one is pretty much the main one I needed to get done today. Because post-appointment follow-up's important for chiropractors or whoever's looking to utilize this tech. So we are good to go. But I hope you guys learned something new. As always, follow me if you're cool. If you suck, do not follow me. I'm just kidding. You can follow me too. Just don't be a dick on my live streams. Alaska will ban you. Come on. Yeah, it's taking way too long. Okay. Give my internet some room. All right. Love you guys long time. If you need a high-level developer, book an appointment. TAIempires.com. I'll build it for you. Oh, hurry. This shit's taking too long. Bye-bye.